So today is the last day in Bangkok. All right, so we're having some lunch before we go to the airport at our favorite spot, Thai Nay Mai. Thai Nay Mai. It was really good. Really good. On Rama, what was that? Rama 4 Road. Really good. Prices are fantastic and the food is phenomenal. The people who work here are really nice too. They, help you out as much as possible. They don't speak, a ton of English, just like I don't speak Thai. So it's a really good experience, and the mango sticky rice is the best we've had. I would definitely suggest if you're in Bangkok to come. It's really good. But yeah, how do you feel about leaving Bangkok? Wow. Do you like it?
Very much.
We're excited to go to Chiang Mai. So I'm getting chicken pad Thai, we got a green chicken curry, and a red lemon soda. I've never had it. Let's see. I think it's cherry. Good. Hi, we're with Theo and Chris, an American and Spaniard who started dating in March 2020. Long-distance relationships are hard, especially when the world shut down. So we traveled to be together. The sad part is, we'd always have to say goodbye, no matter how bad we didn't want. So one day, we jumped on a plane, I asked Theo to marry me. Shortly after, we had a daughter, and now I live in Spain to be with them. Join us on our adventure. Alright, so we just landed in Chiang Mai. Really small airport. It's a domestic portal, and our driver is there waiting for us.
Driver! The one over the one other side, okay?
Yeah, perfect. So the hotel sent us a driver, and he was just waiting there for us. It was really easy to get around. Yeah, we're going to the Chiang Mai Elephant Sanctuary. We're gonna stay at a hotel there, but it was great. There's like 3 baggage belts. As soon as we got off the plane, our baggage was right there. It was like between when we landed and right now, 5 minutes maybe to get off the plane, get our baggage, and have our taxi driver. Great. So definitely recommend this way if you get a chance. Made it here. It is definitely in the jungle. We have to cross this bridge over the river to get to this area, but there's a little outside bar, so we shall see. A little bit, actually more than I was expecting. Lucia, what do you think? What do you think? What do you think? Taiwan Riverside Elephant Friends. Got to our room. We'll give you a little tour later. Oh yeah? What are you trying to say? Huh? What are you trying to say? We're at the restaurant. It's really nice. It's really nice. Really close to our room, and really good food options, and not reasonable prices. It is pretty nice, considering you are out in the middle. Not really of nowhere, but you're about an hour away from Chiang Mai. Not too many other big places around, a bunch of little towns, but to get from our room to the front last night, a little scary. Didn't really enjoy that part. So if you're gonna come to this hotel, I would say definitely come during daylight, because coming at night. See behind me the pathway. Coming at night, trying to walk on this pathway with a flashlight is not the most ideal, especially when you have a toddler. So if you're gonna come, definitely come during the daytime when you can see the pathway.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun.
Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.
There you go. Well, you watched the video of us feeding the elephants. I just want to take a minute to talk about how it came to the conclusion to stay here and our feelings before and after. We were hesitant to stay here because of the exploitation of elephants for use in tourism. We didn't want to add to the problem. After reading about the sanctuary and staying here, we are glad we did. These elephants came from bad situations in the tourism and logging industry. With the life they had, they wouldn't be able to survive in the wild anymore. So a place like this is their only option. In order to pay for the elephants' food and other needs, they need to sell the experiences such as feeding the elephants, bathing with the elephants, and spending the day. Although it's not a perfect situation, it's better than them chained up all day and not getting enough space to walk. At least here, they can walk free and be loved by people that come and see them.
Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm.
Very relaxed.
Very nice.
Natural.
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 Your tour of our room. Got the porch area here.
Terraza mirando al río.
Yeah. Got the seating area. Nice overlook. Sit there. Watch the people on the rafts come down and tip over.
Un show, un show.
Yeah. We've already been here, so. But you have a nice little bed that anybody can sit on. And then, you know, our bed that Suero's made. It looks better when you arrive. It's a little messy now because we're leaving. And then you have a seating area. That how it looks. And then just a bathroom. But what do you think? Is it a good room?
Yeah.
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 It's
I
very
like
nice. Very nice rooms. I mean, it's $54 a night. You can sit here and look out. It's 50. I think we paid like $54 a night, something like that. And the service is great. There's a restaurant right nearby. You walk out to this beautiful scenery. And up here, you can walk out, go up the steps, and right there is the restaurant that we had dinner at. And you also get breakfast included, which is fantastic. And the breakfast is actually great. Fried rice, some kind of protein, fried eggs, fruit salad, yogurt, cereals, everything. So just anybody stay here. It's very tranquil and calm. People work here are very, very nice. And you know, they have a restaurant on site, free breakfast, and it's all really, really good food. So if you wanna, you know, if you're in Chiang Mai area and you're looking for a place to just relax, get away from everything, but also have some nice activities if you want, you can definitely like some nice activities like going rafting right there. Oi, oi. I would say definitely come and stay at the Chiang Mai Friends Resort because it's great. It's better than we expected.